Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is October 31st. Happy Halloween. Hope you guys are having fun out there. And if you have any kiddos, get them dressed up for the night. So yeah, have a good time. Anyway, as far as the market goes, we're seeing a bit of a pullback this morning. I think that seems fairly reasonable. We have the FOMC coming up on Wednesday, the 2nd, and they are expecting to raise rates 75 basis points. So that part of it might be baked in. But of course, we're wondering what Jerome Powell is going to say, or what is the report going to be that they put out? What little words are going to change? Does it look like they're going to be easing, or do they still want to be really tight and tough with the market? That's, I think, the biggest thing that everyone's going to be hanging on. The other thing is the question and answer. What does he say in the conference area when the reporters ask him the questions? And then also remember that typically on the FOMC day, usually that morning, nothing moves. Everyone's just going to be waiting for the report, seeing what happens, and it's usually a pretty slow day. And then you get the craziness when the actual report comes out, and then it's kind of up to the market to really figure out where this thing is going to go. Because if you guys have seen this anytime recently, it really matters, and the market will move a lot rapidly. When we first get that report out, it'll go up and then down and then up, and then it'll finally go to the direction. So there's a lot of shake and bake when we get that FOMC stuff coming out. So, be careful, see what the overall trend is with the market, see what the narrative is, and just kind of see how the market reacts. For right now, it's still a little touchy. I mean, if we look at this, yes, the market's been up for a little bit, but we are running into the underside of a downtrending daily 50, and we can do that for a while, but I do think that eventually we're going to roll back over. So I kind of feel like we could see price coming up across a downtrending daily 50, but if we're going to go higher, I'd really like it to test some support somewhere on the lower time frames to confirm that actually wants to go up. Otherwise, this is a bounce and a downtrend, and we'll have to kind of see how that pans out. So we've got a lot of stuff coming up, and then remember we have CPI on the 10th, and that is going to be the next major something for the market to pay attention to. Anyway, lots of stuff going on out there, a lot of cross currents. Stay safe, and we'll catch you later. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.